Today we're going to look at how to insert, delete, or move columns and rows in Excel. We are looking at the same workbook that we used in the last video. Now let's say you wanted to insert a row between columns B and C. First you click on column C, right-click, and select Insert. This will automatically shift all of the cells and columns to the right. To delete the same column, simply click on it, right-click, and select Delete. And all of the cells will move from the right to the left. Now similarly with rows, to insert a row, you simply click on the row name, which will be a number, right-click, and insert. This will always insert a row above the row that you were clicked on, shifting all of the cells down. To delete that row, right-click and select Delete. If you wanted to move a column, say you wanted to move column July, which is H, right-click on the cell, select Cut, move your cursor to where you'd like to move it to, highlight that row, right-click, and insert Cut Cells. And just like before, it will shift all the cells over and fill in the space where July used to be. The same thing with rows. Simply click on the row you would like to move, right-click, cut, select the place where you would like to place the row, right-click, and insert Cut Cells. And again, all of the cells will shift down. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining us.